How about a...
Well, yeah. You can just
Yeah, I'm not opposed to buying it wherever we want.
No, we can.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't mind spending $5 to get a good tool. Is the toothbrush abrasive enough? I think we squirted with something in there.
You tak.
So we have banana bread and banana muffins. It's the same mixture.
Is Rosie a good teacher?
Try.
Yeah.
She's a very good teacher.
Yeah.
Kinji learned something last night. He's fast.
Inji likes to focus.
Oh, did you squirt that with coconut oil?
Yeah. You did use your coconut oil. I like it than the other one.
Good, sure. Oh, yeah.
Well, see? I don't know how big it will rise. So yeah, put it in the economy.
You tak.
The oven.
The nuts.
The nuts.
The nuts already inside.
Yeah, I mix it already. Okay, let's put in the oven. See, it's 350. It's ready to bring the oven.
Bring it with this one. You don't need
That one is 15 minutes, but we'll try to remember. We will keep an eye that this is less time to bake than that one. Just 15 minutes, but the muffins, I think it's 20 minutes, but the one is 50. So we keep an eye on the muffin. And we can put it together. Yeah, put it in the middle maybe. Put it on the side. So we set 50 minutes. Set timer, put post timer, and put 50, and that one start. So that's for the bread, but we need to keep an eye on the muffin. So Google the muffin. How many minutes? What is it? 25 minutes. So 10:25. It's 10 o'clock.
Unahon, you have to.
You need to check. But I'll do 20 for the muffins. They're tiny. What is it? What are you looking?
Carbohydrates. Banana has 27 grams of carbohydrates. You need protein. Yeah, that's right. Oh, that's for the banana bread. Here.
Butter.
Yeah. Yeah, look at you. I can't.
Okay,
read
for
that.
the flour, Michan.
How many gram is 1 tablespoon?
The
You
grams.
don't do the gram in table.
No,
just put one
because
table-
in my assignment you're supposed to put gram or something.
No, it's not the measurement. Is not in the
Oh, this is
Oh, here,
this is
Michan.
Japanese.
So grams for 1 tablespoon, there is 14.3 grams.
Usaji.
Oh, Saji. Oh yeah, I'm so dumb.
Oh, you threw that.
One cup of one tablespoon
I don't
of.
know what's the result, but it's supposed to be 2 eggs. It was the bread. Bread last night, 1 egg, and just put. We can eat the other egg later. Anyway, this is 2 eggs. I don't know. It's sure the egg.
What was it? 1 tablespoon for flour?
Okay.
1
Put on
tablespoon.
fresh coffee.
It was 1 tablespoon of flour.
Darby,
Which one is it?
Oh, sorry.
he did.
Butter.
Yeah, he
What is this? Vanilla thing.
vanilla extract.
Vanilla. How to spell
Is it still
extra?
running, Lorena?
Extract. Vanilla mono. No, that's wrong.
Yeah, that's
No,
definitely
that's too much. Vanilla
too much.
extract. Wait.
Yeah, a little bit.
We made a whole little bit bigger. Yeah, just like a kay ang 5 ba? Nawala na center.
Japan. Already.
Katan mo ba?
Same man, eh?
How to?
No, dinento yung...
Safety's on the elevator.
Why?
Sama ni. It's always the
What are you
question.
doing? Uy. Vanilla essence. Put vanilla essence.
Kahoy ni Kiyata sa ano eh, tatay sa ko. Pabantay ko kamatisan para ganyan sa manok. Ito silingan. Kapag kung tatay, gusto ko magkabag nga nas kamatisan, wala ko ito nagbabawa. Sakpan ko ako nagbatis. Kasi dagan na ko ba, ato ko matabag dito sa kamatisan. Sangi ka, kawayan. Thank you. Sangi, pak nga kawayan. Everything has a story.
There are some folks
Ako nito kami din na ako.
yeah, but one time, back when I was working at a high rate,
Tambaya.
story, all the oil was gone.
Yeah, you're fast. Now you're a baker? There you go. Good? Yeah, roll it. Yeah, get tight. There you go. And lock it. Press that one. Press that. Press that. Hold. There you go. Very light. Last one. Yeah. There you go. Now we'll sit this for an hour. After an hour, we will bake it. Okay? We will bake it after an hour. Lock it. Push it here. That one, yeah. Press that one, press. Just, there you go. Put it there. Just